A push uptime test works very differently to the other test types we've looked at so far. Instead of StatusCake checking your service from the outside, a push test relies on your server checking in with us at regular intervals. If that check-in doesn't happen, the test alerts. This makes push tests ideal for things like background jobs or scheduled tasks. The most important setting in the push test is the push period. This defines how often your server is expected to send a signal to StatusCake. For example, if you set this to 1800 seconds, your server must check in at least once every 30 minutes. If it doesn't, the test will alert. This is why push tests are commonly used to monitor things like cron jobs, scheduled scripts, or background workers. If the job runs successfully, it sends a signal. If the job fails or never runs, that signal never arrives and you get alerted. Next, give the test a clear name. Because push tests are often tied to specific tasks, it's a good idea to name the test after the job or process it's monitoring. This makes alerts much easier to understand later. In this video, we're not covering how to configure the server-side check-in itself. That setup depends on your environment and how the job runs. The key thing to understand is the monitoring model. Your system reports in rather than being polled from the outside. Once everything looks correct, scroll to the bottom and click Create Test. Your push uptime test is now active.